Doon sa hearing on Committee on Finance, DBM was there, tinanong namin point blank kung pwedeng gamitin yung calamity fund under NDRRM fund. Dahil we can interpret this as a man-made calamity at ang spillover niya ay dito sa Pilipinas, sa bansa natin. At under the law, pwede rin kasi doon economic disruptions. Malaki ang calamity fund natin this year. That's about 39 billion pesos. So if we add the calamity fund plus the contingent fund, aabot yan ang contingent is about 13-14 billion. Aabot yan around 52 billion. No? So both funds, tingin ko for now, enough siya para sa kung talagang maging mahaba at prolonged itong elevated prices, meron madaling pagkukunan ng ang executive na hindi na babalik ng Congress.